Good evening, guys. I was doing my crosswalk button experience in Broadway Avenue and Main Street. This one's actually still broken once again. Yeah, somebody actually broke the button, like. So this one works because this one got replaced like one year ago or something like that. I'm not sure. So basically, this light it up because I pushed it or somebody else pushed it. I don't care. The walk sign's on the cross. You're gonna hear the countdown on the crosswalk, because other crosswalks can do the other countdowns here. So this one has a 12-second countdown. Let's hear this one.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue. Traveling north.
So as you can see, we're crossing north right now. So this is north here. So basically, I'm crossing north. So north is this way, and this east is over here.
Wait.
And see. So basically, when that traffic light over there turns green, like not this traffic light which is on front, the traffic light on the back, it will turn green any second. So. Ready for that?
Wait. Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue. Traveling north.
Yep, we're gonna wait for that.
Wait.
Yeah, I know. I'm waiting. What's your deal?
Wait to cross Main Street at Broadway Avenue. Traveling north. Wait.
See you back.
Wait.
So wait for that. So I'm not talking about the traffic light on the front. I'm talking about the traffic light on the back. So basically, this traffic light will point to straight and goes over there, and I will cross the street. 3, 2, 1.
Main Street. Walk sign.
So walk sign is on the cross Main Street. So there's another crosswalk button over there.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street. Traveling east. Wait.
So this one's east. So as you can see, that traffic light over there had turned yellow.
Wait.
But this one, I heard something. I heard a beeping sound on the background. So I'm gonna wait for that traffic light on the back to turn green. No, this one right there. On the traffic light on the back will turn green any second. So that traffic light, these two on the back, is like connected to this side over here to the road.
Wait.
And usually that LED light up because I usually pushed it. But really cool. So it says push button for walk sign. So basically,
Broadway Avenue. Walk sign is on the cross. Broadway Avenue.
All right, let's hear the countdown on this one.
18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, guys, that's it.